Welcome to AI with Shaily, where I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar, guiding you through the latest AI trends and innovations from my desk to your ears. Today, we're diving into a fascinating fusion reshaping how we interact with technology, the powerful trio of edge computing, AI, and 5G. Picture this: a smart factory floor where machines predict their own maintenance needs and adjust operations on the fly, all without sending a single byte back to some distant cloud server. That's AI at the edge in action. By running intelligent algorithms right on edge devices, think AI powered chips that are both small and energy efficient, we're unlocking lightning fast decision making. This speedy processing is vital for everything from retail kiosks that know what you want before you ask, to drones zipping autonomously through the skies. Now add 5G into the mix. With its ultra low latency and massive connectivity, 5G turbocharges edge devices, letting them talk in real time for critical tasks like remote surgery or self driving cars navigating busy streets. In industries like manufacturing and energy, edge computing is becoming the nerve center, handling sensor data and digital twin simulations locally to keep operations optimized and compliant with complex regulations. We're also seeing a smart balancing act in hybrid cloud edge architectures. Companies are using the cloud's broad scale for storage and heavy AI analytics while relying on edge computing to manage urgent local data processing. This handshake improves speed, privacy, and efficiency, kind of like having a personal assistant that knows when to consult the internet and when to handle things quietly at home. Here's a bonus tip for you. The next time you're designing an AI system, think about where the data should live for fastest response and greatest privacy. Edge AI isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a strategic choice that can redefine performance and compliance. So, what excites me most about this? It's the immediacy. When technology acts almost simultaneously with our needs, it changes how we work, shop, and heal. Have you thought about how much faster and smarter your devices could be if they didn't always need to phone home? As the visionary Alan Kay once said, the best way to predict the future is to invent it. And with edge computing, powered by AI and 5G, we're inventing a future that's faster, smarter, and more responsive. Keep up with all things AI by following me, Shailendra Kumar, on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. Don't forget to subscribe for your regular dose of AI news and insights. Your perspective matters. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's keep this conversation going. This is Shailendra Kumar signing off from AI with Shaily. Stay curious, stay innovative, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of intelligence.